Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but your body isn't changing? You train consistently, you rarely miss workouts, you spend hours in the gym every week, yet months go by and your physique looks almost the same. If that sounds familiar, you might not have a motivation problem. You might have an efficiency problem. The truth is, most people aren't wasting effort. They're wasting time. Today, we're going to break down the biggest ways people waste time in the gym, and more importantly, how to spend that same time getting better results. Let's start with the most common mistake. Mistake number 1, doing too many exercises. More isn't always better. Yet many people think every workout needs 6 chest exercises, 4 triceps exercises, 3 shoulder exercises. Before they know it, they're doing 30 sets in a single session. The problem? As fatigue builds, the quality of those later sets usually drops. Instead of asking, how many exercises should I do? Ask, how many quality sets can I actually perform? Because muscles respond to effective training, not endless exercise variety. Mistake number 2, never tracking progress. Imagine trying to save money without ever checking your bank account. Sounds ridiculous. Yet that's exactly how many people train. Every workout is based on memory. I think I used these dumbbells last week. I think I did 8 reps. I'm pretty sure I improved. Progress shouldn't be based on guessing. Track your lifts, track your reps, track your sets. Because if you don't know what you did last week, how can you improve this week? Mistake number 3, spending more time talking than training. We've all seen it. One set, 10 minutes of conversation. Another set, another long chat. There's nothing wrong with enjoying the gym. But remember why you're there. If your rest periods constantly turn into conversations, your workout quickly loses focus. Training hard for 60 minutes is usually more productive than spending 2 hours in the gym with half of that time not training. Mistake number 4, chasing every new trend. One week it's a new exercise. The next week it's a new training method. Then it's a completely different split. Fitness trends change constantly. The basics don't. Squats still work. Rows still work. Bench presses still work. Progressive overload still works. Don't confuse novelty with effectiveness. Mistake number 5, training without intensity. This one is huge, as some people finish a workout feeling like they could repeat the entire session again. If every set feels easy, your muscles have very little reason to grow. That doesn't mean every set should be to failure, but it does mean your working sets should actually feel like working sets. The difference between training and simply exercising is effort. Mistake number 6, constantly checking your phone. Phones are useful. Many people use them to track workouts, listen to music, watch exercise demonstrations. That's fine, but let's be honest. Most people aren't opening their phone to log their last set. They're scrolling social media, replying to messages, watching random videos. 5 minutes here, 3 minutes there. Over the course of a workout, that can easily become 20 or 30 minutes of lost focus. Mistake number 7, ignoring recovery. Many lifters believe progress happens in the gym. It starts there, but it doesn't end there. You don't build muscle while lifting weights. You build muscle when your body recovers from lifting weights. Poor sleep, too little protein, not eating enough calories, high stress. All of these can slow your progress. And no matter how good your workouts are, recovery isn't optional. It's part of the program. Now, here's something important. Being in the gym longer doesn't automatically mean you're training better. A focused 60-minute workout can easily outperform a distracted 2-hour workout. Quality almost always beats quantity. Now, let's answer the original question. Why do most people waste time in the gym? Because they focus on things that don't matter, while neglecting the things that do. They chase perfect exercises instead of progressive overload. They search for secret techniques. Instead of improving consistency, they spend hours training without enough intensity to force adaptation. The truth is, building muscle isn't complicated. It's difficult, but it's not complicated. Train hard, recover well, progress over time. Repeat. Those principles have built great physiques for decades, and they'll continue building great physiques long after the latest fitness trends disappear. So, the next time you walk into the gym, ask yourself one simple question. Am I here to look busy, or am I here to make progress? Because those are two very different things, and the answer could completely change your results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest time waster you see people doing in the gym? And I'll see you in the next one.